Is Credential Manager not opening or working in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If Credential Manager is not working, showing, opening, not responding, or not updating passwords in Windows 11 or 10, then this video will help you. You may see a Credential Manager file system error. Before you begin, you might check for Windows updates and run System File Checker. Let's get started. Method 1. Check Internet Properties. Press Windows key plus R combination. Type put inetcpl.cpl in Run dialog box and hit enter to open the Internet Properties window. In the Internet Properties window, switch to the Content tab, then click Settings under Autocomplete section. Now, in the Autocomplete settings window, deselect all the checked entries, click OK, and then reselect the entries as selected before, and again click OK. When you are done, reboot the machine. Go back to the Internet Properties window, switch to the General tab, click on the Delete button. This will open Delete Browsing History window, where you have to select all the options and click Delete. Method 2. Using Registry Editor. Press Windows key plus R combination, type put regadt32.exe in Run dialog box and hit enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to this location, hkey_current_user/software/Microsoft/Internet Explorer/main. In the right pane of this location, look for the form suggest PW named string. If it is not there, you can create it manually using right-click, then select new, then string value. Double-click on the same string to modify its value data. In the above shown box, set the value data to yes and click OK. You may now close the registry editor and reboot to get results. Method 3. Restart these Windows services. Open Services app and ensure that these services are started. If they are already running, restart them. Credential Manager, Credential Enrollment Manager User, SVC. Remote Procedure Call. Method 4. Delete the contents of the Protect folder. Navigate to this location in Explorer. Delete the contents of the Protect folder. You may back up this folder and its content to another location in case you wish to restore it here and create a system restore point as well. Restart your computer once done. Method 5. Enter credentials manually a few times and see. Open Credential Manager using Windows Search, or you can open Control Panel then select Credential Manager. Select Windows Credentials. Click on Add a Generic Credential. Enter the required details, click on OK and exit. Method 6. Change saved passwords in Credential Manager via Edge. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Click the menu button in the top right corner. Choose Settings from the menu, select Password and Autofill. Select Microsoft Password Manager. Click on any saved password to change it. You may need to enter your Windows security code, then click on the Edit button, manage the changes and click on Save. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.